G'day, welcome back to Brad and Ellie's Adventures, and here we are showing you all around the CMCA 36 National Rally. This year it was held in Dalby in the Western Downs in Queensland. Absolutely magical little town. After we spent a couple of weeks at Imbil, just northwest of here, which you can see the other video pointing up in the top, we then arrived here and had a great time. The week was organised in such a way that it was almost like a cruise ship. You could do as much or as little as you want, and there was activities day and night. Unfortunately, however, this was the last time we get to see my drone flying, as some birds had a liking to it while I was setting up for a shot, and it crashed to the ground and died, so I need to get a new one of those. But these things happen. Some quick facts for you: 642 vehicles and over 1,200 people, with 288 first-time attendees. There was over $150,000 spent in the town just by people turning up and spending. Gave a great boost to the local economy and certainly gave us a great week away. Hello world, I'm back again with the one and only Mr. 4x4, Pat Callinan. Thanks very much for having a chat.
And I'm here with the one and only Bradley Cooper.
Yes.
I'm excited.
Yeah. So we're at
big fan.
Big fan, that's cool.
You and Lady Gaga are awesome. Yeah.
I've got her out the back. We sing together, yeah. We're here at the CMCA Rally, 36th Annual CMCA Rally, in front of the KT Insurance tent. So if you're after insurance, KT Insurance does all the motorhomes, caravans, fifth wheelers and all that, and they have great benefits and discounts. This is also part of Pat's passion because he's part of Club 4x4 Insurance. That's right. Can you tell us a bit of the both quickly?
Yeah, 100%. Basically, we kicked off Club 4x4 Insurance about 8 years ago now, and it was largely because I had a big off with one of my fully modified four-wheel drives. It was underinsured, and I thought, hang on, I can't be the only mug out here that's totaling a four-wheel drive that's underinsured. So we kicked off Club 4x4. That went pretty well, and then we had the opportunity to invest in it was called Tame Insurance at the time. Now we rebranded it to KT, and we try to improve the product a little bit and get it out there because, you know, essentially at the heart of both of these businesses, it's Aussies that love touring Australia and want to be properly covered when they're doing it. So yeah, that's really the theory behind this little insurance group that we've got. We're not massive; it's all Aussie call centre up in Maroochydore, so we but absolutely passionate about the industry and touring,
especially the off-road. So I guess the Club 4x4 offers a lot more, because we looked into that with our four-wheel drive and caravan. Offers a lot for the more remote and more heavy-duty four-wheel driving. KT does most of that, but it's also factored to motorhomes, fifth wheelers, and a bit less on that space. But check them out. We'll put some links in a video eventually. And thanks for your time, Pat. Really appreciate it.
My pleasure, Bradley.
Cheers. Here we are editing the video you're watching, and Ali's doing more on her coffee pod craft, which is coming along nicely. Just wanted to drop in and say thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying it, and if you are, considering please liking the video, and if you want to follow along, consider subscribing, and that helps us all. Anyway, have a wonderful day, and back to the video.
There we go, we're green.
You need a shower now?
So moving on, I want to pass.
On the last night there, they had a fancy dress party that was mostly attributed from op shops. The theme was dress up or dress down. Most chose the up option. Some went half and half, but we had a great time and met a lot of great people throughout the week and some new friends that we'll catch up with. Certainly some interesting characters along the way that we had a blast with and we hope to catch up with again. In the time we were there, we had the fortune to meet and chat with Erica Whitworth. She's the founding member of the CMCA, member number 1. And overall, it was a great time. Ali actually started collecting coffee pods from anyone that was there in a new option to create jewellery and Christmas decorations out of them. So here's a bit of a demonstration of where she's up to now. Until next time, be safe, have fun, and we will see you on the road. Ta-da!